Hello. So here we are at Scratch and Match Auto Colour in Bayswater. I'm here today picking up my freshly restored and painted MR2. Have a look at this. It's got a bit of dust on it because it's been sitting outside for a little while today. But have a look at the colours. Let me just come back here a bit. I'm not sure how much of the colour the camera's going to capture, but there is a definite blue fleck through there, like a blue flake. Just get nice and close and see if you can see it, maybe. Anyway, Daniel Gregorini of Scratch and Match Auto Colour is a bloke who has basically repainted and made my beautiful little car here dent free, as you can see. Now obviously some of the windows aren't in it because they need to come out for it to be restored, and they'll go back in once the car's back at my shop in Morley. But as you can see, a lovely job all over, and I'm very happy. The price was right. Now Dan's actually painted a couple of cars for me. Actually, was that 5 cars, I think? 5 cars in total. He's painted this, he's painted a Toyota Crown, a Celica, my wife's FTO, and Starion, actually. So, the bloke knows what he's doing. So, here it is. It's lovely. I will probably end up updating at some point, sometime soon, with regards to where the car is in its completed state. I got some new wheels going on as well. These wheels were always going to be a temporary solution. They are a bit ugly, but they were very cheap, and they're on here simply because they're actually meant for this kind of car, the SW20 MR2. So, support local business, Scratch and Match Auto Colour in Bayswater. You can see the sign right there. You might also notice that Dan's a bit of a drag racer. That's a lovely photo of his drag car right there. Let's get in a bit closer actually so you can see. So, Dan, if you follow him on Facebook, follow Scratch and Match Motorsport, and also follow Scratch and Match Auto Colour. I think it's the same page anyway. But yeah, follow them on Facebook. And if you want some work done in your car, make sure you come in and see the man. Don't bother calling. And in actual fact, probably the best form of communication for Dan is Facebook Messenger, because he always responds to those, but the phone will quite often ring out. So, a bit more of a modern man when it comes to communications, our Dan. So, Facebook message, or just simply come in and see the man and have a chat with your car to see what it is you want to do. And he can work out a package to best suit. Anyway, here's my lovely car, basically finished, and yeah, I'm looking forward to actually being able to drive her again. But that's it for now. Thanks very much for tuning in, and well, stand by for updates. But until then, see you next time. Bye now.